For today's lesson, we are learning how to add two-digit numbers in columns. Whenever you have addition, it is recommended that you write them in columns. It just looks easier. For example, normally they would give you 14 plus 73. When they write it this way, it's a little bit harder to see, but it's better if you write it in columns, so it just makes it easier to add. It is recommended you do it that way. Let's go over number one together. So these are two digits, and then there is no regrouping. That means once you add them up, the answer you get is the answer you get. There's no carry or regrouping. So what you do is you add the first column in the ones together. You have a 4 and a 3, and that will be equal to 7. And then you have a 1 and a 7 in the tens place, and that would equal to an 8. So your final answer is 87. Alright, so now it's your turn to try. Go ahead and work on the rest of the problems, and then we will work on the answers together. All right, so how did you do? If you didn't have enough time, you're feel free to pause the video so that way you can finish, and then you can unpause the video when you're ready. Let's go over the answers and see how you did. Number 2, we have with the ones is sits right here, and then if there's nothing here, then we just add a 3, so it's 36 for number 2. Then you have is a 9 and a 4, 49 for number 3. And then you have is a 5 and that's a 5, 55. Okay, number 5, we have 6 plus 0, that's a 6. And then we have 7 plus nothing is also still 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 76. And we have 8 and 8. And we have is 9 and 9. Number 7. Okay, for number 8, we have is 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, number 9, we have 8 plus 0 is 8. And then we have 1. 18. Number 10, we have is 4 and 9. Number 11, we have 8. 88 for number 11. Number 12, we have is 5. 85. Number 13, we have is 8 and 9. Number 14, we have is 7 and a 6. And we have 4 and another 4, that's 44. Next we have is 8 and a 9, that's 98. 17, we have is a 4 and a 2. We have 9 and a 9, that's 99 for number 18. Number 19, we have 7 and an 8, that's 87. Number 20, we have a 7 and a 7, that's 77. All right, how did you do? All right, so there's our additional worksheets on the bottom. You can print as much as you like. Go ahead and work on them.